Hi everybody, welcome to EduTap and also welcome to the ARD Current Affairs series going on for the NABARD Grade A 2025, where we cover weekly all the current affairs that are in news related to the agriculture and rural development sector, of course, and we cover such news which will help you to answer the multiple choice question, which you can beautifully incorporate in your answer writing, and in general also to understand like what are the current developments that is happening in this sector. With that intention, we come up with this particular lecture, and today, the three topic that we have picked up is first news is that fortified potatoes are soon to be introduced in the Indian market. So basically, what happens in biofortification? Any new any new nutrient value is added into the existing product. So here, like what sort of biofortification has been done in potatoes, that we will understand in detail in this particular news. Then your ICRISAT, this is one organization or institution, I would say, that has launched AI powered. So artificial intelligence not just happening, not just helping in daily life or maybe in the IT sector, but also in agriculture sector. So the institution has recently launched AI powered climate advisory for small farmers. So what is this news about? We will understand. And finally, the concept of bank mitra model has been introduced through cooperatives. Now, what is this? That we will understand in detail. Starting off with the first news, biofortifications. Okay, first of all, let's understand like biofortification means what. So what happens, usually जो आपका existing कोई भी crop होता है, whatever is your existing crop, it has certain it has certain value, right? It has certain nutrient that is present in them. There are definite set of minerals that would exist, right? Now what happens, and usually it's been observed that biofortification is done of such crops which are staple food among the community. All right. For example, if you talk about like this particular biofortified potatoes, so iron enriched biofortified potatoes are being developed. Actually it is developed by International Potato Center. Okay, and now it will be soon available in India to combat hidden hunger. Now what does it mean? Okay, if you look at the iron deficiency among Indian population is very much, and specifically if you talk about Indian women, more than 50%, around 57% of women that is aged between 15 to 49. Mind you, this is for a certain range also. They are iron, they have iron deficiency or they are anemic in nature. ठीक है, anemia मतलब क्या होता है? Anemia in itself it means iron deficiency. ठीक है, now if there is iron deficiency, because of that what happens, the body feels lethargic. You're not able to function, like your body is not energetic, so you're not able to perform any function properly or any task properly, right? You get fatigued very easily. So this is because of iron deficiency. Okay, अब what happens, and most of the, in India still most of the people, they are unaware of these things, right? Because of the deficiency of minerals and nutrients, your body feel very low. You don't understand what's happening to you, why you're not able to just get up out of bed and do something. Why are you feeling lazy? But there are not that's not the only factor that you are lazy. It can be that you are lacking minerals and nutrients, and that is why your body is so much lethargic. Okay, अब usually what happens, so like as I said that Indian don't as of now much focus on this thing, and especially if you talk about Indian women, and that too in the higher end of the age, like for example 35, 40, 50, right? These women, they are not aware that these things exist, right? So what government then decided, that potato is consumed by everybody or almost everybody, right? So why not to come up with such variety of potatoes that inbuilt have iron in them, so that whenever the people they are consuming their deficiency of iron, it can be replenished. ठीक है, तो biofortification का meaning क्या है? Adding any nutrient to the pre-existing crop, okay, so that any agenda is meet. What is the agenda over here? Agenda over here is कि जो anemia से अभी जो country suffer कर रही है, the country is suffering from anemia, that can be tackled. ठीक है, and currently biofortified sweet potatoes with vitamin A, they have already been launched. ठीक है, in India. ठीक है, and they are being cultivated in Karnataka, Assam, West Bengal and Odisha वाले region में. ठीक है, तो this was the news all about. ठीक है, you can use this information in your descriptive writing. ठीक है, lesser chances of this as can be that can be asked in your ऑब्जेक्टिव, बट यस डिस्क्रिप्टिव में आप यूज कर सकते हो। अब सेकंड है कि जो आपकी इंटरनेशनल क्रॉप रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट एट सेमी एरिड ट्रॉपिक्स है, इसका ये कहाँ पे स्टैब्लिश्ड है, हैदराबाद में, ठीक है। इन्होंने क्या किया, अनवेल्ड मीन्स इंडिया में, हैदराबाद में आपका सिचुएटेड है, unveils a new initiative to equip small holder farmers, means farmers who have small holdings, small land, okay. This initiative will help them, जो आपकी AI ड्रिवन होगा, मशीन लर्निंग बेस्ड होगा, हाइपर लोकल एग्रोमेट। व्हाट इज एग्रोमेट? सो एग्रोमेट इज बेसिकली और एग्रो मेटियोरो logy, okay. Agro means agriculture, meteorology means it deals with the study of like climate and weather, ठीक है, तो होता है meteorology. Now when you learn all the knowledge of climate and then you implement that in agriculture, that is known as agrometeorology, ठीक है। तो उसको तो hyper local agrometeorolo advisories, hyper local means very like for example in Uttarakhand, okay, having a general weather forecast won't help all the farmers. Why? Because maybe in Dehradun the current weather for, or the weather for the day is very different, and for example in Uttarkashi or maybe in any other district, right, Tihri, Pauri, and even in Pauri also or Tihri also, then region also, area specific forecast can be very different, right? In fact in Dehradun only, if I have to say, in some places it's raining while in some places it's sunny, right? So hyper local means very very accurate and specific to the region where the farmers are doing agriculture, okay. So the aim, this initiative, new initiative has come. Project title क्या है? AI powered context specific agromet advisory services for climate resilient agriculture at scale. And this project has been launched under the government monsoon mission third. Monsoon mission third has started in 2021 and is till year 2026. The aim is of monsoon mission, of course, to add technology, AI, machine learning in agriculture, not only in agriculture. When we say monsoon mission, it is a broader concept, so that better forecast can be done, so that the disaster can be natural disaster can be predicted way earlier and all that factor, ठीक है। तो monsoon mission basically is for that, anything that is related to weather, and using more technologies and machine learning activities, so that we can have better forecast, ठीक है। So that is as a whole, but of that one extract is your agrometeorology, means using the weather forecasting in agriculture. Now why is it important? Because if the farmer is aware that is it going to rain in next week or not, it helps with a lot of agriculture activity. For example, farmer he irrigated the land, and next day rain occurred. So what was the use of using those tube wells, spending on electricity, taking out the water and then discharging it into the field? It was time consuming, it was not required, because very next day rain it fell, right? So irrigation scheduling हो सकती है। इसके अलावा even for fertilizer application, right? Imagine the farmer, he fertilized the field in the morning, and in the daytime either either what happened, maybe rainfall happened, or maybe the farmer had decided, okay, tomorrow is the day or the last day where when I can actually spread fertilizer into the field. But next day it was very windy, that fertilizers cannot be sprayed properly in the field, right? So even to know that, or even to when to harvest, when to sow seeds, for all these activity, it will be very convenient for the farmers if they're already aware that what is going to be maybe 1 week forecast, right? So that they can plan their activities together. So it's very very important, and when AI is being used in it, so accuracy improves, right? It increases. So initially it will be like implemented in Maharashtra via the local agrometeorological field units. What are these agrometeorological field units? So basically these are again that hyper local units, field units are set up, and forecasting is done on that basis. So अभी currently we were using the traditional methods. आपके ना बहुत सारे tools and implements होते हैं, right? On that basis, how the forecasts are calculated. But now the aim is to incorporate technology to that इनकॉर्पोरेट द एआई एंड मशीन लर्निंग टू दैट, ठीक है। तो पहला ही आपका महाराष्ट्र में होने वाला है, और जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन होगी, जो भी एडवाइजरी पब्लिश होगी, रिलीज होगी, दैट विल बी वाया व्हाट्सएप चैटबॉट्स, ठीक है, कवरिंग सोइंग इरिगेशन, जो भी आपकी है, ठीक है, डिजिटल एडवाइजरी इसमें अवेलेबल होगी, ठीक है। इनिशिएटिव वही अगेन नेशनल रोल आउट किया जाएगा इसका, बट अभी ये महाराष्ट्र से स्टार्टेड है, ठीक है। लास्ट न्यूज बैंक मित्र मॉडल, ठीक है। अब बेसिकली क्या एम होता है, बैंक मित्र का क्या मतलब होता है, मित्र मीन्स फ्रेंड, ओके। तो बैंक मित्र इट विल एक्ट एज यू कैन से mini bank agents, okay, or dairy and fishery cooperatives, they will act as mini bank branch, okay. What does it mean? Simply if I have to tell you, okay, there are not so much banks in the rural region, ठीक है। अब now if you as a farmer, or you not only as a farmer, but there are, you know, other um, artisans also that exist in rural India. If you require any sort of loan for your business, right, or if you require any monetary help, you would have to go far off to banks, okay, where you can get the facility. Many times farmers, if they it's the if they don't have time, if the banks are very far away, or even if they're going sometime, you know, it happens they went and there was holiday, so the farmers did not go afterwards, or artisans they did not go afterwards. So what they would do, they would then take the informal loan from, you know, not zamindar to abhi itna hote nahi hai, but yeah, the concept still exists in rural India, right? So they will again get trapped in that interest rate, the high interest rate that they would get informally from the people, right? So to avoid that, what government has done, okay, so there are cooperative, government is doing a lot to develop cooperative units, ठीक है। cooperative में कुछ नहीं होता, when a lot of people they come together, who have same goal, same ambition, and they form together a group, they work together, and that group is known as cooperative, ठीक है। तो ऐसे डेयरी, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अमूल का कंसेप्ट है, ठीक है। अमूल में व्हाट हैपेंड, so basically Amul, this name, how it came into existence, people they were individually selling off the milk. Then Varghese Kurian, when like he originated this concept, he said that okay, in this, for example, in this village there were 5 people, they were individually selling off their milk to the locals, right? So they were not getting enough benefit. So what the idea originated, that together these 5 families together, whatever milk is generated, they would collect and then sell it to any industry, or any such place where they would have higher rate, okay। So they were getting much better money to this. तो यहाँ पे डेयरी कॉपरेटिव्स का मीनिंग ये होता है, ठीक है। एंड इवन फॉर देम देन द इनपुट्स जो होता है, फॉर एग्जांपल अ मशीन हैज टू बी बॉट फॉर मे बी any sort of work in the dairy farm, okay। Now if individual farmer would want to buy, it will be very expensive, but if cooperative is buying, so means all people are contributing, and there will be a common place where that machinery can be set up, then all people can use it, right? So it's cooperatives not just give better benefits, but yes, input may be, when the money is being divided among the people of the cooperatives, it is a very it becomes easier for farmer to have better opportunities in that business with lesser input, okay। तो what government has said कि जो dairy cooperatives या fishery cooperatives have been now developed, those would now can act as bank mitras, ठीक है, for cooperative banks, means in your rural India, rural area, cooperative banks they exist, right? But again, they can't be at each and every place as of now. Even the government is trying that more and more inclusivity happens, but till the time it is not happening, there has to be some assistance to these cooperative banks, ठीक है। तो bank mitra means as a friend, so these dairy and fishery cooperatives will act as a friend to cooperative banks, means what, that wherever these dairy and fishery cooperatives are set up in the local area, they would act as a mini bank branch. So for example, if anybody wants to take some loan, okay, or any like for example, they want to have little bit of want to take some credit, or they would want to take out some money, right? So government would provide these dairy and fishery cooperatives with some, you know, money which can be further distributed in case anybody comes and need them. तो आप normally इसको mini branch, micro ATM आप समझ सकते हो, ठीक है। एक जो ये cooperatives होंगे उनको micro ATM मिलेंगे जिसमें पैसे रहेंगे। So anybody, if for them banks is far away, they can go to these micro ATMs and take out money from their account only. ऐसे नहीं कुछ loan या कुछ चल रहा है, from their money only they can take out, ठीक है. And this initiative is supported by NABARD, तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको ध्यान रखना है, ठीक है. एंड इनेबल डिजिटल बैंकिंग एंड रुपए किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड, ये सब आपको वो प्रोवाइड करेगी. पायलट बेसिस में गुजरात में ये स्टैब्लिश किया गया है. देखो महाराष्ट्र में AI ड्रिवन, दैट वाज द मानसून मिशन थर्ड वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, जो एग्रोमेट का है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट बैंक मिंत्रा मॉडल, ये भी आपका गुजरात से स्टार्ट हुआ है, ठीक है, आपका बनासकांठा और पंचमल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में, बट लेटर ऑन इसको धीरे धीरे हर जगह स्टैब्लिश अभी हो रहा है धीरे धीरे, ठीक है. इसका स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर भी नेशन वाइड रोल आउट हुआ था, बट या मीन्स गुजरात से ये आपका इनिशिएट हुआ था. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस न्यूज. नाउ लेट्स अटेम्प्ट सम क्वेश्चन. which organization developed the iron enriched biofortified potato to combat hidden hunger? What is the current hidden hunger? That is the deficiency of iron, ठीक है. ऑप्शन नंबर बी, इंटरनेशनल पोटैटो सेंटर. विच टाइप ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव कैन नाउ एक्ट एज बैंक मिंत्रा फॉर कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स? क्या एग्रीकल्चर के मार्केटिंग कोऑपरेटिव्स को बोला है, अर्बन कोऑपरेटिव हाउसिंग को बोला है, डेयरी फिशरीज को बोला है, हैंडलूम को बोला है, या रूरल सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप को? तो अभी डेयरी एंड फिशरीज कोऑपरेटिव्स को बोला है, दे कैन एक्ट एज बैंक मित्रा फॉर द कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स, ठीक है. AI driven powered climate advisory initiative for small holders was launched by which of the following organization? ठीक है, तो आपका ये का आपका ICRI SAT ने करा है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट है, विच स्टेट इज द फर्स्ट टू इम्प्लीमेंट द AI ड्रिवन एग्रोमेट एडवाइजरी सर्विस? तो हमने समझा, दो हमने नाम आज पढ़े, महाराष्ट्र एंड गुजरात. फॉर AI इट वाज महाराष्ट्र एंड गुजरात आपका बैंक मिंत्रा के लिए था, ठीक है. नाउ देयर इज अ होमवर्क फॉर यू ऑल. व्हाट इज द मेन पर्पस ऑफ अपॉइंटिंग डेयरी एंड फिशरीज कोऑपरेटिव एट बैंक मिंत्रा? सो आई पर्पसली एडेड दिस क्वेश्चन फॉर मी टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट डिड यू गेट दिस न्यूज और नॉट, ठीक है. दीज आर द टॉपर्स ऑफ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, होमवर्क क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. गजल सेट द राइट आंसर, मेहनाज, सौरभ सेट द राइट आंसर, निखिल and Akshdeep said the right answer, Piyush welcome said the right answer, and Shreyansh, Sindhu and Abhijit said the right answer. So that is all in this video. I hope you like this session. For more such videos you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can join our Telegram channel to get the PDF of this and every lecture that we provide here on YouTube. I wish you all the very best for your exam, and thank you for watching the video.